Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best bicycle bearings is probably one of the most overlooked components on your bike, but they play a crucial role in your riding experience. From the smooth rotation of your wheels to the efficiency of your pedals, these small parts have a big impact. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of bicycle bearings, exploring what makes a good one and how to choose the right set for your needs. Number 5. Breezliy 600-piece bicycle bearing balls. These Breezliy bearing balls come in 6 assorted sizes, perfect for various applications. Each size is individually packaged for easy identification and use. Made from high-hardness chrome steel, these balls meet the highest industry standards. They are built to last, providing reliable performance in your projects. These precision steel balls are corrosion-resistant and highly durable. You can count on them to withstand wear and tear, ensuring a long lifespan. The set includes 100 balls each of 1/4, 7/32, 3/16, 5/32, 1/8, and 3/32 sizes, totaling 600 pieces. This comprehensive selection ensures you have the right size for any job. These chrome steel balls are ideal for precision ball bearings, bicycles, casters, and more. They are suitable for drawer slides, door locks, and even target shooting, offering versatility for various needs. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of sizes, perfect for various bicycle applications. Each size is individually packaged, making it easy to find the right one for your needs. If you have multiple bikes or like to have spares on hand, this comprehensive set is a great choice. What people say. Needed the 1/8" for my mountain bike cassette bearings. Worked good text_thumbs_up text_thumbs_up. Had the right ball size to fix my 3-ton heavy-duty car jack. Used these to rebuild a 1980s Schwinn BMX. They fit perfect, there was plenty to do everything on the bike, and still have some left over if I need them for another project. Number 4. Breezliy 304 Stainless Steel Ball Bearing Kit. This kit includes 620 pieces of precision steel balls in 12 different sizes, ranging from 1mm to 8mm. They are neatly organized in a plastic box for easy identification. This assortment is perfect for various applications. These bearing balls are designed to reduce friction between the inner and outer rings of bearings. This helps to minimize wear and tear on your machinery, ultimately extending its lifespan. They are essential components for smooth operation. The balls are coated with a small amount of grease to enhance lubrication and protect against corrosion and rust. This makes them suitable for use in humid environments. The heat treatment process ensures they are strong and can withstand significant pressure. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these balls are corrosion-resistant, high precision, and have a high hardness. The surface is smooth and burr-free. This ensures durability and reliable performance. These bearing balls are widely used in motorcycles, bicycles, casters, furniture, door locks, and drawer slides. They are versatile and suitable for many other applications where smooth movement is required. You can rely on them for various projects. What we like. This set is made of 304 stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance, especially in humid environments. The variety of sizes ensures a good fit for many different bikes. If you are looking for a durable and versatile bearing set for various bicycle types, this is a great option. What people say. The bearings were a perfect fit and made a noticeable difference in the smoothness of the ride. Installation was straightforward, and the quality of the bearings is evident. These bearings have significantly reduced friction, resulting in improved performance. Number 3. BC Precision 1/4 Campagnolo Shimano Hub Bearing Balls. Are you looking for replacement bearing balls? This product is manufactured by BC Precision. It meets all specifications. These bearing balls have a diameter of 1/4". They are designed to fit perfectly in your hub. These are grade 25 balls, ensuring high precision. This means it will provide smooth and efficient performance. Each package includes 100 precision balls. This is enough to service your bike. They are made of chromium steel. This material ensures durability and long-lasting use. What we like. These bearings are made from chromium steel and are designed to meet the specifications of Campagnolo and Shimano hubs. They are a direct replacement for your existing bearings. If you need a reliable, high-quality replacement for your hub, these are a solid choice. What people say. The bearings are smooth and quiet. The bearings fit perfectly and improved the performance of the bike. Installation was straightforward. Number 2. CYCLEZ Rear Coaster Brake Hub Bearings Complete Set. This complete set includes all the bearings you need for your rear coaster brake hub. It ensures a smooth and reliable ride, making your bike perform at its best. The set comes with two 732x9 bearings and one 14x7 bearing. These are designed to fit most rear coaster hubs, providing optimal performance. Whether it's a kid's bike, lowrider, beach cruiser, or chopper, this set is ideal. It's designed to fit a variety of bicycle types. These bearings are built with high-quality alloy steel. This ensures durability, precision, and longevity, so you can enjoy a long-lasting performance. Experience better pedaling efficiency and quieter rides. The low-friction design of these bearings will enhance your overall riding experience. We offer top-grade replacement parts you can trust. There are no shortcuts, just real performance, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This set includes all the bearings you need for your rear coaster brake hub. They are made in Taiwan with high-quality alloy steel for durability and longevity. If you are looking for a complete, high-performance bearing set for your coaster brake bike, this is the perfect option. What people say. Bearings fit great, came pre-greased and now I'm able to ride without issue. They operate smooth, so far have lasted about a year, and they actually feel better than the factory bearings when they did work properly. I replaced with this set and they fit perfectly. Number 1. YouU Crank Bearing 5/16 ball size. This crank bearing is the best choice for your bicycle. It fits perfectly and ensures smooth operation. You can trust it to enhance your riding experience. This bearing is designed for a wide range of bikes. It is suitable for bicycle cranks, lowrider bikes, and beach cruisers. It's a versatile choice for different bike types. The bearing features a 5/16 ball size and 7 balls for optimal performance. This design ensures durability and efficient power transfer. It's built to last and provide a reliable ride. It is suitable for various bicycles, including limos and stretch bicycles. This bearing is a reliable component for your bike's crank system. It ensures smooth and efficient pedaling. YouU Direct Store offers a variety of MTB bike repair accessories. They have everything you need to keep your bike in top condition. Check out their selection for more great products. The package includes 2 crank bearings. This set of bearings is all you need for your bike. Make sure to purchase from YouU Direct to get the right product. What we like. This crank bearing is specifically designed for bicycle cranks. It is available in different ball counts to fit your needs. If you are looking to replace your crank bearings, this is a great option. What people say. The bearings are smooth and quiet. The product is well made and durable. Installation was straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.